Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I create all things comfort and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a clean makeup look using no foundation. It's a very quick, simple 5-minute get ready with me. I would love for you to join me and watch. And if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. All the products that I'm using today are drugstore products and everything I use will be listed in the description below. So let's get into it. All right, before we put anything on, this guy wants to say hello. If you're new to my channel, this is Obi. He's a tabby cat. He's 4 years old and he is my buddy. He is wherever I am constantly. So if you see him in my videos, that's gonna be no surprise because he's glued to me. So I gotta get to work, buddy. All right? All right, the first thing I'm going in with today is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I actually wore this on my wedding day. I'll put a picture right here. My makeup looks so pretty and simple on my wedding day. I actually did my own makeup on my wedding day and I actually had family do my hair, but the makeup looked really pretty. I've been using this since it came out and it's my go-to everyday item. So I'm just gonna go in and just put some little stripes on my face with this and get all the good spots. This gives you a really nice glow. Again, this is a great product if you're just looking for a lightweight makeup look for the day. I pretty much use this every time I wear makeup, so this is a great recommendation. And then I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and just start blending all of this in. I did want to disclose that before I put any of this makeup on, I did prep my skin with cleanser, toner, and my favorite sunscreen, which again, I will link all those products in the description. It's usually my easy everyday look. I think the simpler the skincare routine is, the better. I really just use cleanser, toner, and a good sunscreen, and I am all set for the day. Pretty much goes the same for my nighttime routine. I pretty much do almost the same thing. I do rotate between using retinol and just a regular moisturizer at night, but it's usually 3 steps or less. So the simpler, the better. Right now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is full coverage and I only use a little bit of a dot here and there. So let me go ahead and add that on. A little bit goes a long way. All right, so I'm just gonna go start blending this in. Oh yeah, that's really super full coverage. Let's cover up all those veins on my eyelid. This has been really nice. I really like this concealer. I've been using it for a couple months now and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'll continue to use it. I'm actually gonna use some more and just put some right here, just a little bit, and just cover those spots up. All right, the next product I'm using, I just bought last week, is the e.l.f. Bronzer and Contour Wand. These just came out. They retail for $6.99. They have a bunch of different shades. I believe this is light medium, and a little bit actually goes a long way. So we're gonna just put a couple dots here and just put a couple dots there, and then we're just gonna start blending in with my beauty blender and just see how, we'll just go from there. So yeah, let's get this blend. Look at the dots. I have my window open right in front of me and the lighting is just perfect in here. I do have a studio light right here, but I just figured this looks really pretty, the natural light. I'm gonna go in with one more dot, maybe 2 more, and just blend that in again, just to really give me that kind of sun-kissed bronze look that I'm kind of going for. And yeah, that looks better. So maybe a couple more dots. Yeah, that looks really nice. All right, now to start setting everything, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. setting powder and just kind of go in so that I don't look like a disco ball. Because I feel like I look a little greasy right now, but it's all gonna come together nice, I promise. So I don't really let the setting powder like sit on my face. I just kind of just blend it in like this. And then I just end up brushing it away. I don't really think there's any point in like letting it sit, but again, each his own, but this just works for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have been reading Wreck My Plans by Jillian Meadows. I'll put a cover right here. It is a spicy holiday book. If you're into that friends, enemies to friends to lovers type of trope, or it's basically her brother's like best friend, and you know, they have like this, I guess, sexual tension between them, and there's a lot of banter throughout the book, and it just keeps building up the sexual tension. It's really good if you're looking for a spicy holiday romance book to read. Okay, so I'm going in with my Essence Hug and Teddy's palette. I've had this for a while. I really like this shade, but I'm gonna go in with this one just to kind of give that bronze look on my eyelids. But this is a great palette. Also, the highlighter and blush is really nice. So I'm reading that, and then I have How My Neighbor Stole My Christmas by Megan Quinn is what I'm probably gonna read next. So I'm really trying to get into the holiday spirit by reading some of these spicy holiday romance books. But if you have any other recommendations, or you know any other good ones to read, please leave it in the comment section, because I love a good recommendation. Just add it to my to be read list. All right, again, like that's really all I'm going in with, is just one shade. This is what I do on a daily basis, and that's fine. That's all you need. So I know a lot of people do their eyebrows. I don't touch my eyebrows. I don't want to touch my eyebrows. I think they look fine. Every now and then I will put a gel on them to kind of let them set for the day, but usually on a day-to-day basis, I don't really put anything on my eyebrows, so just kind of wanted to set that precedence for this. So I'm gonna go in with the blush shade that's in this palette. It's actually really pretty. Let me get some of the product on my brush and just blend it. Look how pretty that is, and it goes so well with the eyeshadow. It looks so good. My cat's having a heart attack. I closed the door and now he wants to leave. But if I open it and close it, he'll want to come back in. Oh, poor guy. All right. I like to put a little bit on my nose because it gives me like that kind of sun-kissed look. But yeah, this looks really pretty. I don't usually use bronzer powder. On a day-to-day, I just don't feel like I need it. Also, I haven't had much luck with finding any good powder bronzers. So if you have any good recommendations, leave it in the comment section, because I'm always kind of on the hunt for one, but I just can't seem to like locate one. So yeah, let me know if you guys know any good bronzer powders. All right, we're gonna finish the eyes, and I'm gonna be going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This has been my favorite mascara for years. I don't think anything else can top it. Not even the high-end brands can top this mascara. It really just gives your lashes that natural full-length look, and that's what I really love about this product. All right, this is e.l.f., by the way. This is my e.l.f. What do you call this? I'm having a brain fart. What is this called? It will come to me at the end of this video of what this thing is called. Oh my God, eyelash lift? Is that what it's called? I'm having a brain fart. I know what it's called, it's just not coming to me right now. All right, here we go. I mean, look at that. This is no mascara, this is mascara. That's crazy. Look at that. I love it, it just never gets old. All right, let's move on to lips, which is always my favorite part of doing my makeup. And I'm going in with NYX's lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. I did sharpen this before I failed. These are really good lip pencils. Excuse me. These are really good lip pencils for such a great price. Again, I'll link everything below in the description so that you guys can either get this stuff or whatever. Christmas is around the corner, so you're looking for any good makeup items. All right, this is my favorite lip oil product, and it's from Milani. They have the best lip oil. You cannot argue with me, because I have every single shade of this line that they came out with, and I'm using the Nectar shade. I mean, these are so good. I bought one or two, and then I went back and I bought the rest of the shades, because the formula is not too sticky, and it lasts pretty much all day. I always have one in my purse, or if I'm leaving or running errands, I even have one in my car. But yeah, these are great lip oils. The shade's really pretty too. Nothing too crazy. All right, so to set everything in place, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Dewy Setting Spray. I love this setting spray. I just give it a good shake. I'm gonna spritz. I got a fan right in front of me, so perfect. Sometimes after I do the setting spray, I go in with a little bit more of that e.l.f. setting powder. And just to kind of set really everything into place, I just put a little bit more powder on my face, and it really sets well once after I'm done using the setting spray. Right, so this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and kind of hanging out with me for a little bit. I know this is probably one of my shorter videos, but again, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have so much fun content coming to my channel, especially with the holidays around the corner. I'm going to Target this weekend and a couple other stores to check out their holiday decor, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. So thank you so much again for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next video.